Hello guys, this time I am going to show you how to make this yummy ice cream. So we need palm sugar, hand mixer, paper cups, 500 mils of cream, 1 can of coconut cream, 1 can of condensed milk, and a stick. Now I'm going to melt the palm sugar on a medium heat with 1/4 cup of water. So after cooling down the melted palm sugar, we are going to mix it with our cream. And then I'm going to beat this until it's thick enough to form a shape. This is now ready. I can now mix the coconut cream and the condensed milk. And then we are going to fold them together bit by bit. You can also add in some fresh coconut if you have some. I'm now going to put this into the molds. Then put it in the freezer. So it's been in the freezer for 10 minutes and it's time to put the stick in. And this will be ready in few hours. Right, to unmold them, we just need to dip the ice cream in a warm water so it's easier to take them out. Here we go. This is our homemade coconut ice cream.